Hey friends, it's Miss Carin again. Hey, we're going to do another science experiment. I've heard a lot from you guys about how much fun you're having at home doing these. So we went ahead and are doing another easy one. Today we're going to do the walking rainbow. And with the walking rainbow, it's really simple. All you need is paper towels. So you need 3 strips that look like this. 1, 2, and 3. They're kind of skinny. And we're going to make them skinnier in a little bit. And then you need 3 glasses of water, or 3 cups. They don't have to be big ones like mine. They can be any kind that you have. I just did mine because they're easy for you to see and they're clear so you can see what's going on. And you need 3 colors. You need the color. What color do I have here? Yellow. Great. And you need the color red. And then you also need the color blue. You got it. You guys remember your colors. So what we're going to do today to make our walking rainbow is we're going to go ahead, and you see that I have water in these cups. They're a little over half full. And we're going to put a few drops of color in each glass. So let's count. We're going to do about 6 drops. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See it starting? See the red? We're going to let that sink to the bottom. Now let's do yellow. Let's do 6 drops. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and our next color we're going to do is blue. Let's do 6 blue drops. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. We have 6 drops in this one. Okay, so what we're going to do, in order to make it a walking rainbow, we're going to take our paper towels that we have right here, and we're going to fold them. Fold them right in half. Okay? So we're going to do it with both of them. Okay? Does anybody know what we do with a paper towel? A lot of times we use them for cleanup. And when we clean up water, what does the paper towel do with the water? It usually soaks the water up. So this is what we wanted to do. We wanted to soak this water up. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one end of the paper towel and the other end, and we're going to put them in our water. So red to yellow. And then we're going to take our blue and put it on the other side. And we're going to do yellow to blue. We're going to stick them in there. And then we're going to do blue to red. Now we talked about how it soaks up, the paper towel soaks up the water, and that's what this is exactly going to do. The yellow is starting to creep up, and the blue is starting to creep up, and they're going to meet in the middle, and they're going to make a certain color. I wonder what color yellow and blue together make. I'm going to show you in a little bit. And then I got yellow and red, and they're going to creep up and they're going to meet together in the middle. And if you put yellow and red together, I wonder what color you get. Do you know? I'll show you in a little bit. And then I'm going to turn this a little bit. We have blue and we have red, and when those creep together, they're going to turn into a different color. Wonder what colors are going to be. I'm going to show you. I let this sit overnight. So I did it during the daytime, and then I went to bed, went to sleep, and then I woke up this morning to discover my rainbows, which are right here, or my paper towels, came together and they made different colors. It was so cool. I was so excited to see it this morning. So I'm going to go get it real quick and I'm going to show you. So give me a few minutes. Or a few seconds. Okay, your eyes won't be able to see me, but I want to show you. So here's the one I did yesterday. If you notice, I have red, yellow, and blue cups. And if you notice, look what color we got. When yellow and red came together, we got the color, look in the middle. What does it look like? It's the color orange. Now let's come over here now this one's a little harder. We got the blue and we got the red, and we got together, and it's really hard to see, but it made the color purple. It's very hard to see in that one. So then we're going to go over to blue and then the yellow. And what color did we get in the middle of our paper towel? We got the color green. How cool is that? So yellow and blue together make green. Yellow and red mixed together make orange. And then how cool is this? Blue and red together make purple. Now my daughters did one yesterday by themselves, and you look, they used different cups. They didn't use the same. And theirs is starting to blend together too. So you don't have to use as much water or food coloring or paper towels as I did. But I did something big so you could all see it. So this is called the walking rainbow. I hope you guys try it at home and have an exciting time with it. I miss you guys, and we hope to maybe see you soon. Bye.